Hi classmates! Paano gumawa ng maayos na statement of the problem na aligned sa variables ng study ninyo? Una, siguraduhin na malinaw ang inyong research variables. For example, kung ang study mo ay tungkol sa effects of social media on the academic performance of senior high school students in Camarines Norte, ang mga variables mo ay social media usage at academic performance. Dapat i-reflect ito sa problem statement mo. Example, what is the extent of the social media usage among senior high school students in terms of frequency of use, duration of use, types of social media platform utilized, purpose of usage? And number 2, what is the academic performance of senior high school students in terms of grades, class participation, assignment, project completion? Kapansin-pansin, aligned ang bawat tanong sa inyong variables. Iwasan ang mga tanong na off-topic para focus ang research. At kung may tanong kayo, comment down below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe para sa more research tips. Hanggang sa susunod na learning, living, and leading together!